The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. A civil emergency message has been issued for the entire United States until further notice. NASA has discovered an asteroid named 2004 HR 535 or Horizon 535, which is believed to be on a direct collision course with Earth and will impact the planet within the next week. It is unknown if the asteroid will actually impact Earth. This asteroid may be 3 miles or larger. As a precaution, all residents of the United States must remain vigilant at this time. Tune into local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The asteroid 2004 HR 535 or Horizon 535, which was discovered last week, has now been confirmed to be on a direct collision course with Earth. NASA predicts that it is expected to collide with Earth within the next 24 hours. This asteroid is 4 miles wide and it is traveling at a speed of 64 miles per hour. Since it's too early for impact, all residents of the United States are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter immediately. Grab all your loved ones and gather enough supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, phone chargers, toiletries, important documents, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to last you till NASA to figure out a way to destroy the asteroid. The most logical shelter to seek is a basement. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse than it is. Please stay tuned to this station for more information about this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification. All cable and broadcast systems will transmit this emergency action notification message. The station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is WBAL. We will continue to serve the Baltimore area. If you are not in this local area, tune out this station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Baltimore area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NASA has launched a nuclear missile towards the asteroid 2004 HR 535 and it failed to do any damage to the object. The asteroid is coming closer to Earth and will impact the planet within the next 30 minutes, somewhere in the Pacific Ocean. There is nothing we can do to stop this situation from escalating any further. When impact occurs, there will be mega tsunamis racing across the ocean, earthquakes with magnitudes of 10.0 or larger will occur, and the sun will be blocked for 50 to 100 years. Humanity is going to be extinct. If you are receiving this broadcast, gather your family, friends, and pets that make you comfortable, and brace for the end. If you are religious, pray to your God, and repent. Luke 21:36, be alert at all times. Pray so that you have the power to escape everything that is about to happen and to stand in front of the Son of Man. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one last playing of the national anthem. All broadcast and cable systems will cease transmission.